Hello. Hey, welcome to my sacred space. This has been part of my life for 30 years. This building was built in 1892, and I'm surrounded by some of my best friends from around the world, from India, Australia, Europe, Ireland, Africa, North and South American indigenous tribes, and even Oceania in the Pacific Ocean. And as many know who know me, Michael Brandt DeMaria, through my music or meditation classes online or in person, my love is world music, or what I like to call earth music or being music. And it's about the music of being. And for me, I've always felt that the world was my home. I've always identified probably more deeply as an earthling. And right now it seems that that truth has captured our postmodern imagination here on the edge of the third millennium. And with realizing that we are all extraordinarily vulnerable. We all come here to grow old and become sick and to die. And that vulnerability is also what can create compassion and connection. And a big thing I want to mention is I really don't like this phrase, social distancing. I would really love to change that to space, giving each other space. You know, giving each other space is this idea of something that's very compassionate and loving, and creating space for each other to be well, because it's not about distancing. So I'd really like to begin to shift that conversation to creating space for each other to stay well. And to me, this idea of distancing again tends to make us think that we are simply these skin-encapsulated egos, or this biomechanical model of our humanity. When our humanity extends beyond the surface of our skin, we're connected through our hearts and our minds. And we know the brain is a social organ. And it's so important that we're able to really honor that. As my friend Dan Siegel says, it is more that we are a we, bringing me and we together, we, which I like as a new term. So there's a little meditation I'd like to do, since tonight I was going to be doing a healing movement class, my Ever Flowing On class, which is one of my great joys to do. And because I wasn't able to teach my yoga class this week or my meditation class, and stay tuned, I'm going to find some ways to be doing it online next week, I'd like to just do a little metta meditation, which is a loving kindness meditation to extend towards ourselves, each other, and the planet as a whole. So we're just going to begin. When I hit this bowl, it's really a reminder of coming into the present moment, giving yourself full permission to be fully present, letting go of the past, letting go of the future. You know, most of our thoughts are regretting the past and being anxious about the future. So this is a chance to let go of both of those illusions and constructs of the mind. And it is also a call to our true nature, to remember our true nature. And our true nature lies deep within the innermost center of the heart. We know now more than ever that the heart actually sends more information to the brain than the other way around. This electromagnetic center is also an emotional center. And it's part of our immune system, because when we stay out of fear, the immune system is boosted. So this is also an opportunity to stay in love, not fear. Connection, not disconnection, and giving each other space to be well. So let's shift that phrase, social distancing, to space to be well, giving each other space to be well, because we can stay tremendously connected when we're in love, in compassion, in kindness. So, I invite you to take a deep breath and close your eyes. And when you hear the sound of the bell, for you to bring yourself in the present moment, letting go of the past and the future, and really allowing yourself to listen to that sound dissipate off into silence as you feel all of your fears, worries, and concerns of the day dissipate and dissolve into silence. Now feeling rooted in the earth, giving your body over to gravity and feeling the points of contact between your body and the earth. Bring your awareness to the heart center, bathing the heart with the breath. Imagine someone who it's very, very easy to experience loving kindness. Imagine them in the mirror of your heart and send them loving kindness. Feel the joy in your heart. This could be a four-legged animal friend as well as a two-legged. I want you to take that loving kindness and I want you to extend it out towards all beings who are suffering right now. Sending love, just loving kindness. Now all the healthcare workers around the planet that are working so tirelessly, first responders, nurses, doctors, hospital staff, EMTs, all people that right now are on the front lines, send them love and kindness. Just send them love and kindness from your heart. Sending love and kindness to them. And now all those who are struggling with fear about someone they love being ill, perhaps fears, financial fears, those who may be struggling at home, trying to take care of their children and still find a way to be present to work. So sending all those in fear right now, loving kindness. Compassionate, loving kindness. And in particular the children, let's really send the children of the earth loving kindness. So many of them are scared, they're confused, they're worried, they don't understand. Let's send all the children of planet Earth love and kindness and compassion. Now let's all send each other loving kindness. Everyone who's listening right now, let's send loving kindness to everyone who is doing this meditation right now, or has done it, or will do it. Let's send them loving kindness. Keep bathing your heart with the breath. If at any point you get a little distracted, come back to that person that it's so easy to pour out loving kindness towards, that just lights up your heart with love. And now let's all envision Earth, the entire planet, and all beings. Let's send the entire planet loving kindness. Now, a few simple gratitude prayers. I always like to start off with thank you for this day. You can repeat after me if you like. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for some air to breathe. Thank you for air to breathe. Thank you for some earth to be. Just a little small part of the earth for me to stand on, or to lie on, or to sit on and be. The gift of just being here. Thank you for the small things I take for granted every day. Eyes to see, ears to hear, legs to walk on, hands to wash. Thank you for hands to wash, that I actually have the chance to have hands to wash. And thank you for my life. Thank you for the gift of life. No matter what comes my way, that I've had the chance to experience being here. What a gift. What a gift it has been just to be alive, just to be conscious, to know what it is to love and be loved. May all beings be at peace. You can repeat after me. May all beings be at peace. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be free of suffering. May all beings be at ease. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be free. Feeling a little more centered and present, grounded. On your next in-breath, you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that with me. It's very, very powerful. I do meditation every day, and right now it's a very powerful way when we move into that deep, compassionate vulnerability. There's a tremendous strength in it. There's nothing more strong in the universe, in my mind, in my heart. So I'm going to finish with just a few notes. If you'd like those, know that I'd love to guide a medicine place meditation with my flute, but just to finish, I'd like to play a few notes. And again, if you'd like to go and close your eyes and go to a place in nature where you feel at peace, whole, happy, connected, where anything is possible, where you could fly with the eagles or swim with the dolphins. Stay happy. Stay healthy. Stay peaceful and calm. Stay loving and compassionate. And find ease in the breath as you flow through the day. I look forward to seeing you next time. You can keep an eye out for some new things coming in the coming week. I hope to make more opportunities available to support all of us during this time. God bless you, be well, and namaste.